Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus drive from the Valeo company. This off-campus drive is mainly for diploma mechanical candidates and BTech mechanical candidates. If you are a fresher mechanical candidate, then you are eligible to apply for this off-campus drive. Okay, so Valeo company is hiring for diploma engineer trainee position, that is DET CAD. Okay, so CAD is a software that mechanical candidates guys, you know about CAD software. Okay, so CAD, computer aided design, proficient in CAD software, define CAD models 3D or 2D, relating design specification or CAD elements given by PTM RD design leaders, design engineers, define or build 3D models that will be consistent relative to mold, plastic constraint, clash clearance with other components or mechanical constraint, define 2D drawing consistent regarding drawing rules, layout, functional and tolerances, responsible for the 2D 3D definition of his or her component, part of the component in term of the good application of a branch CAD technology methodology rules. Then CAD quality tools, checklist, auto control, responsible of small technical definition, clip, locating or local area design, that is standard integration, strengthen RIPS harness. Okay, then follow and promote quality procedure, then validate and follow up all CAD data concerning uh, project inside VLS branch or PDM or PLM system, responsible of team lead time, cost of his task, efficiency and timing follow up by respective project milestone or deadline. That is the job responsibility that you need to work on the CAD. You need to design 2D 3D models like that. Okay, so if you have done certification on AutoCAD, that will be a plus point and there will be a more chances to get select in this company. CAD task management may pilot if needed CAD operators and follow of the CAD operation, may plan, define and control if needed CAD work order task, CAD key skills, automotive exterior lighting, headlamp, rear lamp, then application of plastic mold tooling, product design, product engineering, CATIA V5. Okay, so CATIA is also a software. CAS, computer aided styling of headlamps and rear lamps in relationship with P1 team. Then look for design innovation, participation in style branch network, then participation in benchmarking activities. What will be your responsibilities? Follow the development of products in terms of design and make design proposal in the sketches, 3D and renderings, participate in the design and implementation models, then participate in the value design process. Okay, CAS skills, creativity, good interpretation of styling, sketching capability, automotive surface conceiving, then aerodynamics knowledge of cosmetic feature in styling software, application of plastic mold tooling. Okay, so computer aided design education, diploma in mechanical engineering or equivalent experience. So no work experience required. Language, good command of English. CAS for computer aided styling, degree bachelor in art design, automobile, mechanical. Then work experience, no work experienced candidate required. Language, knowledge of CAD software will be an added advantage. Okay, so basically they are looking for the CAD software candidates, like if you have done any certification, as I said earlier, then there are a good chances to get select in this Valeo company. Okay, so R&D is the job category. Then you can check the company name. Then this is full-time position, employee status regular. This is not a contract job. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box below. Click here to apply for this off campus drive. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this off campus drive. Thanks for watching this video.